Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. I am here with the objectives and question answers of 7th lesson, that is around Delhi. So let's get started. The first bit is fill in the blanks. And the first question is the dash of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. We have learned in the lesson that the President of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay, so the answer is President, President. Okay. Second question, the National Capital Territory of Delhi is located on the banks of the river Yamuna. We have seen the map also, isn't it? So it is located on the banks of the river Yamuna, Yamuna. Okay. The next, the Amar Jawan Jyoti burns in dash. It burns in the India Gate here. Okay. So the answer is India Gate. Red Fort, a red sandstone fort, was built by Emperor Dash. It was built by Shah Jahan. The Lu wind blows in Delhi in the dash season. It blows in the summer season. Lu is a hot air, children. It will blow in the summer season only. The next bit is right, true or false. And the first question is Qutub Minar is as high as a 5-story tower. Right. It has it is a 5-story tower, children. We have seen the picture also. Look at here, 1 2 3 4 5. So answer is true. Second question, the Prime Minister stays in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. False. Who will stay in the Rashtrapati Bhavan then? President. Okay, not the Prime Minister. Third question is May and June are the coldest months in Delhi. True or false? False. Why? Because May and June are the hottest months, not the coldest months. Okay. Fourth one, Jama Masjid is the largest mosque in India. True or false? Yes, Jama Masjid is the largest mosque in India. So answer is true. There is no metro rail system in Delhi. True or false? False. There is a metro rail, isn't it, in Delhi? Look at the picture here. So answer is false. The Red Fort is a huge sandstone fort. True or false? Yes, true. The next bit is choose the right answers. And the first question is the Akshardham temple is located in dash Delhi. East Delhi, West Delhi or North? It's towards the East Delhi. Okay. Next, dash are high government officials who represent their country in another country. Who are they called as? Are they called as presidents, ministers or ambassadors? Answer is ambassadors. These are the people who come from the other country and stays in Delhi and they represent their own country. Okay, they are called as the ambassadors. The dash system is a fast means of transport in Delhi. What is that fastest means of transport in Delhi? Metro, ferry or auto rickshaw? Of course, the metro. It's fast when compared to the ferry and auto rickshaw. The Jama Masjid was built by Emperor Dash, Shah Jahan, Akbar or Humayun? Of course, it was built by the Emperor Shah Jahan. Next, Delhi has two kinds of government, the state government and the dash government. What is that? Of course, the central government, not the home and local government. Okay. Next, let's revise the question answers of this lesson, children. Okay. So here we go. Let's revise the hard words of this lesson. First is capital, CAPITAL, capital. Next is parliament, PAR, LIAMENT, ment, parliament. Next is Lok Sabha, LOK, Lok, SABHA, Sabha. RAJYA, Rajya, SABHA, Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Next is ambassador, AMBASSADOR, ambassador. Next is the commissioner, COMMISSIONERS, commissioners. Next is the Rashtrapati Bhavan, RASH, Rash, TRA, PATI, Pati, Rashtrapati, BHAVAN, Rashtrapati Bhavan. Next is Akshardham, AK Ak, SHAR, Shar, DHAM, Dham, Akshardham. Now let's revise the question answers. So here we go. Why is Delhi called the National Capital Territory, children? Delhi is called the National Capital Territory because it will be under the Lieutenant Governor. Okay. Second question is describe India Gate. The India Gate is located in the center of New Delhi, the capital of India. It was made by Edwin Lutyens in 1921. Okay. Third question, what is the climate of Delhi like? Delhi has hot summer and very cold winters. We have learned in the lesson, isn't it? Next, what makes Delhi such an interesting place? Language, food habits and way of life of the city makes Delhi an interesting place. Where do we find the Diwan-e-Am and Diwan-e-Khas? We find Diwan-e-Am and Diwan-e-Khas in the Red Fort. What makes the iron pillar near the Qutub Minar special? Because of its attractive materials and its height and weight, iron pillar is special. Well, that's it, children. It was the end of our 7th lesson. We'll catch up in the next video with the 8th lesson revision. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.